Hello friends, I hope you are well. I came to Parand-City Center tonight to take a video for you. I would appreciate it if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. This is Istiklal Square, the main square of the city. Parand is a newly established city located in Rabat Karim City. It is Tehran province. The future of this newly established city is bright, and investing with future profit factor will be a smart choice for investors. Parand-City is located 35 kilometers west of Tehran and next to Sovet Highway. Parand-City of Tehran has 7 phases and it is going to expand to 16 phases in the future. Phases 0 to 3 include corporate or personal deeded properties, and phases 4 to 6 include governmental housing properties. To access Parand-City, there are vans from Parand to Tehran and vice versa, and in some places direct taxi stations. Taxi and bus lines are running from Parand to Sadeghi Metro Station, and taxi vans and buses are running from Parand Station to Shahid Metro Station. The distance of the bird from its neighboring cities such as Tehran, Shahryar, Karaj, Sovet and Qom are 35, 20, 40, 75 and 110 kilometers respectively. Parand Metro is under construction and in the continuation of Line 1 of Tehran Metro. It starts from Shahid Station and along Tehran-Qom Freeway and Imam Khomeini Airport leads to Parand-City. Bird benefits. Housing prices were low, especially housing units in Mer compared to other new cities around the capital. Being located near Imam Khomeini International Airport and the free route of Tehran-Sovet and Tehran-Qom roads, and easy access to the cities of Tehran, Karaj and Shahryar. Construction of Tehran and Parand Metro line and its final stages. Currently, 11 metros are traveling from Tehran to Imam Khomeini Airport. In this way, the easy access of Parand to Tehran is another one of the majority of residents in Parand are employees and retirees. Clean climate and modern urban texture. Convenient location for rail transport and having a railway station. The suitability of Parand soil for high-rise construction. The prosperity of general and specialized industrial and service workshops in the coming years. Disadvantages of the bird. Being windy and somewhat dry, the climate of Parand. The lack of elevators in some of the apartments in Sandadar. And housing governmental. Low of emergency and relief services. Weak infrastructure facilities and city services in phases 5 and 6. Workshop environment in some projects and phases of Parand due to the construction activities of Omran Parand Company. The facilities of Parand-City. In Parand-City of Tehran, the more we move towards phases 5 and 6, i.e. mere housing phases, the city facilities and services become less and less. And more people complain about the lack of facilities. Therefore, if you have enough funds, we suggest you in phases 0 to 3. The best advanced areas are phases 0 to 3. The houses of these 4 phases have ownership documents. And they have good facilities. In Parand, as we go towards the higher phases, the city facilities and services become less. Thank you for being with me until the end of this video. Your comments are very important to me and help me make better videos. Thank you for liking me and subscribing to my channel. In the last minutes of the video, there is a scene that I suggest you don't miss.
سطح زندگی رو قشنگ الان میشه عروس رو با اینجا مقایسه کرد.
شما خبر مشاکل؟